Gusto mo ba talagang maging financially free? Hindi yung sakto lang. Hindi yung may sweldo naman. Hindi yung okay na basta nakakabayad ng bills. Ang tunay na financial freedom yung hindi ka kinakabahan pag may emergency. Yung may choice ka. Yung hindi ka alipin ng sweldo. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin ang number 1 rule for financial freedom. Isang rule lang. Kapag naintindihan mo to mag-iiba ang tingin mo sa pera forever. At promise hindi ito complicated. Pero karamihan hindi ito sinusunod. Section 1 Ano ba talaga ang financial freedom? Bago natin sabihin ang rule linawin muna natin. Ano ba ang financial freedom? Hindi ito pagiging bilyonaryo. Hindi ito luxury cars. Hindi ito flex sa social media. Financial freedom means, your income from assets is greater than your expenses. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi ka pumasok sa trabaho may pumapasok pa rin na pera. Passive income, investments, business, cash flow ang assets. Ngayon, ano ang number 1 rule para makarating doon? Section 2 The number 1 rule. Ito ang rule. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference consistently. Simple pero brutal. Kasi karamihan sa tao ginagawa ang kabaliktaran. Habang tumataas ang income tumataas din ang lifestyle. New phone, new car, upgrade ng bahay, more eating out, more luho. Result, walang naiipon, walang nai-invest, walang freedom. Ang tunay na mayaman hindi agad ina-upgrade ang lifestyle. Ina-upgrade muna ang assets. Section 3 Income alone won't save you. Maraming tao ang naniniwala, kapag tumaas ang sweldo ko magiging okay na ako. Pero reality check, may mga taong kumikita ng 200,000 per month pero baon sa utang. At may mga taong kumikita ng 30,000 pero may investments at emergency fund. The difference, discipline. Hindi income ang problema, habits ang problema. Financial freedom is not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Section 4 The power of the gap. Ang sikreto ay ang tinatawag na the gap. Income minus expenses. Yun ang gap. Kung wala kang gap wala kang future freedom. Kaya ang unang goal mo hindi agad 6-digit income. Ang unang goal mo, create a healthy gap. Paano? Control lifestyle inflation. Track expenses. Cut unnecessary spending. Increase income strategically. Invest automatically. Hindi glamorous pero powerful. Section 5 Where to invest the difference. Ngayon invest where? Hindi ako magbibigay ng specific stock or crypto hype. Ang principle. Invest in assets that generate income or grow in value. Examples. Index funds. Dividend stocks. Small business. Rental property. Skill-based income. At bago lahat ng yan, emergency fund muna. Kasi kung wala kang safety net lahat ng investment mo magiging emotional decision. Financial freedom requires stability first. Section 6 The real enemy lifestyle ego. Ito ang kalaban. Lifestyle ego. Yung gusto mong ipakita na umaangat ka na. Ang problema, hindi mo kailangang magmukhang mayaman kailangan mong maging mayaman. Ang tunay na financially free madalas low-key lang. Tahimik, focused, strategic. Hindi sila naiinggit. Hindi sila pressured. Hindi sila nakikipag-compete. They compete with their past self. Kung gusto mong maging free stop impressing people. Start impressing your future self. Section 7 Practical 30-Day Action Plan. Gusto mo ng practical? Ito ang 30-day challenge. Week 1 Track every peso. Week 2 Cut 10 to 20% unnecessary spending. Week 3 Open investment account or start learning seriously. Week 4 Automate savings and investing. Simple, clear, actionable. Hindi kailangan perfect, kailangan consistent. Remember this, financial freedom is not a dream, it's a math equation. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Repeat 4 years. Boring. Yes. Effective. 100%. At kung may isang rule na dapat mong tandaan after this video, control your spending. Grow your gap. Invest consistently. Freedom will follow. Kung seryoso ka sa financial freedom journey mo comment mo sa baba. Freedom over lifestyle. Gusto kong malaman kung sino dito ang ready mag-build hindi mag-flex. And if you want more practical financial mindset content para sa mga Pinoy na gustong umasenso, subscribe ka na sa Ginhawa Pinoy. At hit mo ang notification bell. Dito hindi tayo nangangarap lang. Nagpaplano tayo, nagdi-discipline tayo, at unti-unti nating binubuo ang financial freedom natin. Kita-kits sa next video.